welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a wig install on my beautiful client. Today we are using a wig from Charming Tresses Hair Extensions. We are using a 24-inch body wave wig, and today I'm showing you guys something a little different. This is how a luxury service should start off. Now, if your stylist doesn't wash your hair, then what's the point of going to a stylist? I will be showing you guys the products that I will be using. I do use products from Straight Request. I love their products. They are really great. The Black Carbon shampoo is a deep cleansing shampoo. So we're going to first cleanse her hair, and then we're going to go in with hydration to add some moisture back into her hair. For these products, you do have to find a local distributor, or you can go on their website directly. It's straightrequestproducts.com and purchase these products. Next, we're going to go in with our hydration shampoo. After cleansing your client's hair and scalp, you do want to go back in with some kind of hydrating shampoo to add moisture back into your client or yourself hair. Alright, now we're just going to go ahead and rinse that shampoo out, and let's get ready for the conditioner. Do want to make sure you are getting all of that shampoo out before you go in with the conditioner. Now listen, when I tell y'all that Power K60 is the best conditioner ever, I promise if you purchase that conditioner, you will think the same thing. You definitely won't regret it. This conditioner is everything. I'm just gonna make sure I saturate her hair and her scalp with the conditioner. Alright, after we saturate her hair with the conditioner, we're just going to go ahead and comb through her hair while the conditioner is in her hair. When detangling the hair with the conditioner still in it, you do want to make sure you're starting at the bottom of the hair and then going upward. Also want to use a wide tooth comb as well. Alright, now that we're finished, we're just going to get ready to blow dry her hair out. So I am using Wig Out leave-in conditioner. I really like their products. Their products are really great. After we have sprayed that leave-in conditioner in, we're just going to go ahead and comb that leave-in conditioner through her hair. We're going to start sectioning out our hair and getting ready to blow dry her hair out. I do like to use my comb attachment that goes with my blow dryer. It's just easier to blow dry with than a brush or a comb. Now that we have finished blow drying, let's start on these braids. For the wig install, you do want to make sure that your braids are small, that way your wig will lay flat. Is a closer look if you are a beginner wanting to learn how to braid. Now we're just going to take our wild growth oil and go over her scalp with the oil and make sure we're rubbing that oil into her scalp. Make sure you get that scalp saturated. Since this is a protective style, we do want to promote hair growth. Now we're just going to get ready to do our bald cap method. First, we're going to take an edge brush or an edge comb and put some edge control on it and brush those edges back. Make sure that you tuck that braid that's hanging under the other braids. You can also crochet the braid into the other braids. Now we're just going to make sure that HD cap is nice and snug. And we're going to go ahead and cut around her ears. I am using my Bold Hold Extreme Cream to lay this cap down. Now you want to take your edge brush and use the comb part and just smooth the glue out. Make sure to not get it on your client's hair. So I did went ahead and cut the cap off of camera. So now we're just going to apply the glue above her hairline. I did do about 3 to 4 layers of glue. Now that I finished applying the glue, we're just going to go ahead and slide her wig onto where the glue is. You can see the glue through the lace. So make sure you are paying attention when you are sliding your client's wig on her head. You can see the glue where the glue is. This will prevent you from having to do extra cleaning around her hairline. Now that we have got that wig laid on the glue and on one side, we're just going to press the lace into that glue just to make sure it's secure and it's not going anywhere. Now we're just going to repeat that same step on the other side. We're just going to pull the wig tight and make sure it's laying flat. And we're just going to go ahead and take our comb and press the comb into the lace. That way the lace can stick to that glue. Now that we have got our baby hairs pulled out and our band on her hairline, we're just going to go ahead and take our hot comb and hot comb the hair back. This will move the hair out of the way when we get ready to do baby hairs. We did do her baby hair off camera, so if you would like to see a detailed baby hair tutorial, in one of my previous videos, I have a detailed tutorial that you can take a look at. This specific client, it was her birthday, so for her style, she wanted to do some pin curls. So if you would like to see some pin curls and see how I do my pin curls, keep watching. For my curling iron, guys, I do use a T3 curling iron. I use a 1-inch curling iron and I just curl her hair and place a pin on the curl. Take a look. So I'm gonna let you guys in on one of my tips. So after I curl my client, I do use the Eben adhesive spray. This spray make the curls last all day, literally. You gotta try it. So after I spray the spray on her curls, I just roll the curl up and I put a pin on it. Here, I'm just layering the front of her hair before I curl it. So you can see me with my scissors just going down, layering her hair in the front. So ladies, how many of you guys are interested in doing digital products? I need you guys to comment below because I have something for the digital product girlies. Comment below if you are ready to get in your digital product bag. Now that we have completed this side, I'm just going to show you guys how it looks. And this is the final look, y'all. My client was too excited. She loved her hair. But y'all, get into the Charming Tresses wig. Better get you one. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.